This is just going to be a quick guide on how to mine Sugarchain. All you really need is a wallet and the CPU miner. You don't need this specific miner if you're just mining on pools, but this is the only miner that supports solo mining. So once you open up your wallet, you're going to wait for it to sync. Well, you don't have to generate addresses, but you won't see any of the rewards you get until you're synced. So anyway, we're going to go and get a address. You can generate a new one by clicking this button right here. And you're going to download this wallet and extract it. I already have done that, and it is right here. So you're going to get this, and you're going to edit this file. So what this line of code, or code in the sense does, is it runs the miner with this algorithm to this pool with this address, with this many threads. Generally, the higher the amount of threads, the higher your hash, but the lower thread count means a higher hash per thread. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to keep this. If you're mining on a different pool, they will provide you with a link to copy and paste. And then you're going to paste in your address. Make sure there's a space, save, close, enter, and you're mining. If you're doing solo though, it takes a little more configuration. You're going to have to go into options, open up your configuration file, and you're going to want to type in this. You don't need to put in exactly user and password for RPC user and password. Just make sure you know what you put in, because we will need it later. Also, RPC port is not necessary, but I find it's easier just to have it, because sometimes the miner doesn't like to connect to the wallet even though it should. So once you put in that, close, okay, close the wallet, and then just relaunch. Once you get that, we're going to go back to our downloads folder, copy the run bat, paste. I like renaming it so you know this is your solo mining configuration, so you can just write solo. Then we're going to edit this. So this, we're mining on our own, so we don't need a pool address, and we'll just move these down for now. So we're going to take what we put in for our RPC user. For me, it's a user. And then we're going to add in /p. And then we're going to put in what we put in for our RPC password, which for me was password. Now for -o, we're going to put in 127.0.0.1 : and then whatever we put in for our port. This is why having RPC port in your config is easier, because you know exactly what it is, and you don't have to ask anyone for what the default port is. So 34230. Then we need http:// and then we're gonna move this back up, and then instead of using /u as you would do for a pool, we're going to use Coinbase ADDR equals. That's your configuration for solo mining. So you're going to close this, okay, double click, enter, and we are solo mining.